The Mallify 3-in-1 high chair is a versatile solution that grows with your child, transitioning from a high chair to a booster seat, and finally to a kid's stool, making it a long-lasting investment. Its lightweight and portable design allows the booster seat to attach securely to most dining chairs, ensuring your child can join family meals both indoors and outdoors. The high chair is designed with solid beechwood legs and an X-shaped crossbar for rock-solid stability, along with a 5-point harness and anti-slip foot pads to keep your child safe. A practical double-layer tray provides a top surface for meals and a spacious play area beneath, made from BPA-free materials that are easy to clean and safe for your child. Parents will appreciate the straightforward assembly process, which can be completed in minutes with clear instructions, and the ease of cleaning the water-resistant PU cushion. This beautifully crafted high chair not only supports your child's evolving needs, but also enhances family bonding moments during meals and playtime.